high school, I took a lot of woods classes at Crystal Lake Central. So they had a pretty decent wood program, and took it all 4 years that I went to high school, and really gained my interest for it during that time, and it kind of helped me build a career and find what I wanted to do. And then I kind of took it on my own and pursued it.
I took a woods class, but that was kind of shut down halfway through by COVID. Steve Carblum helped me out, my internship teacher, and he asked Matt to take me along with him and just teach me a few things, get comfortable around all the tools, all that sort of stuff. Well, I was interested in it originally because it gives out like a creative element where you could basically build whatever you want. Originally, like the idea was I get like hands-on work, but once we went to like lockdown where we could only have like Zoom classes, it kind of like negatively impacted that. But coming back here definitely like opened that back up to like, yeah, this seems like a lot of fun.
After high school, I got into the trades. I worked for a general contractor. I decided I really liked to do woodworking instead, more specifically furniture making. I decided, that the standard job hours were not for me, and I wanted to kind of build my own and pursue the jobs I wanted to take on. I think if you want to pursue, or at least see if you wanted to pursue this, definitely trial and error is helpful. Kind of getting involved with the path in general. Or just starting small at the local community college, whether it would be kind of diving into just a basic trade to begin with, carpentry, plumbing, electric. There's all sorts of different options, and again, using your resources to kind of guide you along those paths.